pretty. It's a pity she cannot come to my city. Yeah, I live in the hills. Come and see how it feels. Yeah, I'm up in the building. 20 million in the building. Yeah, she say that she love me, but it's for the money. But she ugly, Humpty Dumpty. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I just do it all. I just wanna ball. Yeah, I get the night.
Get the
Night is next. I get the mic to my nigga Night. Cause we up every night. You know what we do.
Also, yeah. I think life is great. Yeah. Relax, let me cook, dog. Relax, you know what I mean? I think life is great. Yeah, pulling up, nigga. I might go straight. Yeah. I might say the shit, put these niggas in the grave. Yeah. Flip it up. I told you shit ain't safe in the game. Yeah, shit ain't sweet when these niggas ain't feel my pain. I'm from the hood, from the town. I be gay skate. Yeah, I be all we do is skate. Yeah, we just try get cake. Yeah. First freestyle. Yeah, why you hating, nigga? Why you hating on the boys? Why you hating on the boys from the west? Yeah, they know I'm the best. Why you hating? I might say that shit cause I know I'm a threat. I know I finesse on these tracks every day. I know I be smoking on the dudes when I get stressed. Yeah, I'ma say less.
Yeah, you better pass the beat. Look at me, I'm running through the streets. My name is Mpshe. That's what I have.
That's all you got, but I got some more. Yeah, who got the block hot? Riley hit a dope boy. All my niggas dope boys. Guess that makes me a kingpin. Yeah, niggas stressing, cause I'm guessing it's a lesson. Counting on my blessings. I don't give a fuck about my problems. I just smoke the weed, then I light the weed. Girl, I haven't freestyle for a minute, but I'll be back in a minute. I know it's been a minute. I know I fucked up, but I was fucked up, cause I'm fucked up. Next.
Yeah. They was trash. I pull up to the street. If you know me, I'm rapping on the beat. And every time, I don't really smile for the camera. The only thing I do is buy to Scala and come back after Scala, and then I make a plan. I'm a man. I was born in the motherland. Why is Tyson's cool? Are you gonna dollar? I might show you with them bummer if you don't go out. I tried Marelaha.
Yeah,
it's recording.
Yeah, sure. Look it. Yeah, and I'm on camera. I got bone shit, black bandana. Yeah, I was trapping, I was doing like a scammer. Yeah, I was trapping, I was moving with some scammers. Yeah, they 22, the niggas say they ain't got no credit. Yeah, or these niggas talking all that shit, you niggas pathetic. Yeah, my flow's a heat, and I told you I'm a sweet. When I pull up, we gon' deep. When they hit me, it's BB. When I pull up in too deep, we in the streets. Yeah, trapping every day, switch it up, I'm in the zone. Yeah, I was getting high, smoking Patron. I told you, thick bitch, leave me alone. Hey, I don't feel that bitch. I might.
Yeah, you might pass the beat to me. I come to the streets. I'm looking for something I can kill. I'm a murderer. I'm serial. I'm running through the streets with the cash like I'm serial Ramaphosa. Damn. I drop the banger like Mendoza. I come through the street. What the fuck you wanna say? You wanna talk to me? How much do you got on your pocket? You ain't got shit. Nigga, you better leave before I stop. Damn. Is it going? Can I see if it's going?
Yo, we should check that to meet the grand beat and see what
okay.
niggas can do over it.
Look. All about the cake. They say cash rules everything around me. Well, guess what? I'm all about the lights, camera, action. But I don't do acting. Look, it's me and my bitch. I hop into a Mustang and I do the right thing. They say I'm whack, but I'm not. Music sound like I'm doing homicide, but I'm not. Got my competition trying to commit suicide. I got them niggas feeling dead inside, cause every time I pull through to the party, I make it come alive.
You
can go next.
Yeah. Say it's scared, you can hear it in his voice. I'm a nigga, I didn't man, got no choice, yeah. I was doing all this chasing, all these ornaments. I was flipping, I was going through some obstacles. I was doing all this shit, got some flexing. I be flexing, I ain't flexing on my muscle. Muscle tucked down, I keep a Glock tucked, yeah. Why you gotta speak shit? You be yapping. You be capping about all the shit you doing. And you be acting every time we be moving. Don't act so stupid. You confusing. Looking at the camera and I'm spitting some real shit. Look me in the eye. Look me every time I speak. I was telling you some real shit. Wise words from a wise man like the three ships. Like the three ships. I was going in. I was stepping. I was in the hood. I was trying to penetrate. I was going good. I was looking good. And I was flowing good. Getting checks, nigga. I'm just trying to move smooth. Yeah.
Yeah. When you rap, your engine sounds broken. I don't know why when you rap, shit, you always choking. It's something to them shit. Me, I was hoping to get a big house. Damn, I wanna move out of my mother's house. I gotta make a plan. I'm only 21. I gotta make another plan for my other mother. I have 2 mothers and a stepmother. Shit, I've got to tell you about my brother's mother's father. Shit. What am I saying? I'm talking shit. Me, I'm not a rapper. I entertain. I'm just a fucking cameraman. I take videos for everyone in motherland. I'm running through the streets. I'm like Tyler. I bought Travis Scott in the motherfucking video. Made him dance to order. I'm running through the streets. I got Ghana in Conca. Running through the streets every time I'm also Foster. Tina Saba Ghana every time it's Saba enter. This has been to them shit. Mina Eko Uzoyenza. Shit. I'm trying but this beat doesn't wanna try. I don't know why do I smile when I'm high. I don't know why am I high like a kite, but I come to the street with night plus Lana. Shit. That was wake, yo.
I don't like fucking cameras, bitch.
Yeah.
I don't like cameras, bitch. But I don't like cameras, bitch. But I'm behind camera, bitch.
Back and forth is disturbing while I'm rapping. I'm trying to cook. I'm in the kitchen trying to mix up all these different ingredients. Niggas feeling sweet. Me ain't going there. I was sipping lean. Different canisters. I got them from the pharmacy. See me on the TV screen one day. You gon' know what you saying. This ain't my style, but I'ma keep going anyway. Niggas know they be dissing on Drake. They be dissing with the Drake. Pull up, I just infiltrate. Pull up thinking shit ain't sweet. I do this shit every day. When I pull up, don't speak. My nigga don't hesitate, yeah.
Are you dumb? Why you asking for a vape?
If it
You
takes
come here with your shoes looking whack. Go home.
That's
do your
bro, I
fucking
used to
thing.
rap battle, you know.
Let's rap battle with your scissors that you stole from your classmate in school. You over here, you looking like a fool. You dumber than me, I can tell.
Yeah.